Hello my dear students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today we are going to read word power. Students, in word power we are going to read a very important topic, that is homonyms. What is homonyms, student? We have already read in the last video lecture that the word as have same form but different meanings are called homonyms. So student, for example, arms has two different meaning. First part of the body, on second one weapon. So here arms is the example of homonyms. Students, here there is the list of homonyms. Come on here, let's read one by one. Number 1, capital. Student, what is the meaning of capital? So with the help of example, let it clear. Patna is the capital of Bihar. So here capital means Rajdhani. Next example, student, I lost not only the interest but also the capital. So here capital means Mooldhan. Now next one, he was awarded capital punishment. Here capital means student Mrityu Dand. So student, we have got here that capital has same form but three different meanings. So that's why it is the example of homonyms. Now next one, student, certain. It is not certain whether he will come. So here certain means what? Nishchit. Now next one, there lived a hermit in a certain village. So student, here certain means kishi. So student, here we have got that certain has same form but different meaning. Now next one, student, charge. What is the meaning of charge? There are different meaning. So come on here in example number 1, what is the meaning? How much do you pay as food charge? So what is the meaning of charge here? Mulya. Now next one, there is a serious charge against him. So what is the meaning of charge here? Dosharopan. So student, we have got that charge has two different meaning. First mulya and second one dosharopan. So these are the example of homonyms. Now next one, student, close. Please close the door. So here close means band karna. Now next one, he is my close relation. So here close means nazdiki. So student, here again close same form but different meaning. So this is the example of homonyms. Now number 5, composed. He remained calm and composed even in the teeth of difficulties. So here composed means what? Avichlit. Now next one, Keats has composed this poem. So here composed means rachna karna. So student, here we got that closed has same form but different meaning. So student, these are the example of homonyms. Now next one, student, correspond. So corresponds has two different meaning. In one sentence it is written, student, this corresponds to that, I do not correspond with him these days. So this corresponds, this corresponds means here student milta julta. To that I do not corresponds means here student patra vyavhar karna with him these days. So student, here correspond has two meaning. First milta julta and the second one patra vyavhar karna. Next one, contract. Contract means here karar. This contract is now broken. So here contract means karar. Almost everything contracts in water. So here contract means what? Shikurna. Now next one is student, country. Country means our country is passing through a crisis. So here country means desh. Now next one, he is a country doctor. So here country means what, student? Dehati. Now next one, do you like country wine? So here country means what? Deshi. So student, here we have got that correspond, contract and country are the example of homonyms. Now next one is student, credit. The goods words apply on credit. Here credit means what? Udhar. Please credit this amount to my account. So here credit means what? Jama karna. Now student, cricket. Cricket Do you play cricket? Here cricket means what? एक प्रकार का खेल. Crickets found beauty even in a cricket music. Here cricket means what? एक प्रकार का कीड़ा. Now student, next one, custom. Custom means all old customs are not bad. So here customs means what? Pratha. Now the officer failed to collect all the customs. So here customs means what? Kar or tax. So student, we have got here that credit, cricket and custom. These are the examples of what? These are the examples of homonyms. Now number next one, student, date. So date means what is your date of birth? So here date means what? Here date means Tariq. Now next one, do you like the taste of date? So here date means what? Khajur. Now next one, student, dear. Food stuff is rather dear these days. So dear means what? Mehanga. Now he is very dear to me. So here dear means what? Priya. Number 14, students, down. The signal is down. So down is here niche. Down. Next one, down, student. It is as light as down. So here down means what? Komal roa. It is as light as down means komal roa or feathers. Now next one, student, even these lonely downs look lovely today. So here downs mean what? Khula or ऊंचा धरातल or पठार. Even these lonely downs look lovely today. So if here downs means what? पठार और खुला और ऊंचा धरातल. So here student, date, dear and down are the example of homonyms. Now the next one, students, exact. He called me the exact time of your arrival. So here exact means ठीक. Now exact again, officers exact payment of loans from poor farmers. So here what is the meaning of exact? बलपूर्वक वसूल करना. Now next one, student, fast. It is fast color. So here fast means pakka. I observe fast. So here fast means what? Upwas. Now next one, fast. Your watch is too fast. So here fast is what? Tej. So student, here we got that fast has 3 different meaning, exact has 2 different meaning, and all these are examples of homonyms. Now the next one, student, fair. Fair. Have you even been to a fair? So what is the meaning of fair, student? Mela. Now next one, fair. He writes a fair hand. So what is the meaning of fair here? Saf. Now his complexion is fair. So what is the meaning of fair, student? Gora. Now it is a fair. So it is a fair. Here student, it is fair. It is fair. So here fair means student acha. So student, here fair has 4 different meaning. So that's why this is the example of homonyms. Now next one, fit. He is not fit for this post. So fit means here student yogya. Now he fell into a fit. So here fit means what? Behoshi. So student, here fit has 2 different meanings. So it is the example of homonyms. Now the next one, student, fix. I am in a fix. So here what is the meaning of fix? Udher bun. Now please fix your attention upon this object. So here fix means what? Majboot karna. Now last one, student, fine. Fine means what? Sundar or acha. It is a fine poem. Here fine means what? Sundar. Now next one, student, he had to pay a fine of rupees 5. So here what is the meaning of fine? Jurmana. So student, here fix has 2 different meaning and fine has 2 different meaning. Same form but different meaning. So these are the example of what? Homonyms. Students, so this is your today's video lecture. I will come with another list of homonyms in next video lecture, students. So keep watching my videos. Thank you for watching it. Share it, subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you once again.